What if I told you that in the vast, silent expanse of space, 3 astronauts heard something they couldn't quite explain? This is the story of the Apollo 10 mission, a journey that, while never touching the lunar surface, ventured close enough to hear the moon's secrets. In the late spring of 1969, on the 18th of May, the world watched as the Apollo 10 mission launched into the cosmos. Aboard the spacecraft were 3 brave explorers, Thomas Stafford, John Young, and Eugene Cernan. Their mission was a rehearsal for the upcoming Apollo 11 lunar landing, involving a complete Apollo spacecraft orbiting the moon, but not landing. As their spacecraft slipped into the lunar orbit, the astronauts busied themselves with their tasks. They tested their flight control systems, gathered data on lunar potential, and sent live color TV transmissions back to Earth. The lunar module, with Stafford and Cernan aboard, flew over the Sea of Tranquility, testing the landing radar, while Young orbited higher in the command module. It was during this rehearsal, when the lunar module was just miles above the moon's surface, that the astronauts heard an unexpected sound. A whistling tune, eerie and otherworldly, filled their headsets. "That music even sounds outer spacey, doesn't it? You hear that? That whistling sound?" asked an intrigued Cernan. His fellow astronauts confirmed they heard it too. The sound was haunting, ethereal, and most of all, unexplainable. It was, as Cernan put it, just like something from outer space, really. Despite their astonishment and curiosity, the astronauts never spoke publicly about the mysterious sound they encountered once they returned to Earth. The sound remained a secret, tucked away in NASA's archives, until it was included in a Science Channel show called NASA's Unexplained Files. However, the explanation for this mysterious sound may not be as otherworldly as it seems. Some believe it was simply radio interference between the lunar module and the command module. Yet this explanation doesn't diminish the awe or wonder of that moment. It simply reminds us that even in the most calculated and scientific of journeys, there's room for a little mystery. In summary, the Apollo 10 mission ventured closer to the moon than any before it, but it was what the astronauts heard, not what they saw, that truly amazed them. The mysterious sound, a whistling tune that seemed to emanate from the lunar surface, still resonates with us today, a reminder of the unknowns that await us in the vast expanse of space. Whether this sound was simply radio interference or something more, it stands as a testament to the enduring intrigue of our universe.